We have lots of inquiries from our students asking what the next steps are after they have completed their Exemplar Global Recognised Competency. This is a subject I just love talking about. There are various different career paths that can be taken, which all provide rewarding and challenging career options. Internal audits can be referred to as first-party audits. Essentially, an internal auditor reviews the internal system of the organisation they are auditing and conducts the internal audit on behalf of that organisation. Traditionally, certification auditors conduct what is referred to as third-party audits or external audits. Certification auditors are conducting audits on behalf of a certification body. Sometimes an auditor will be employed to conduct audits against stated legislation. This is normally conducted through regulators or government departments. Supplier audits can also be referred to as second-party audits. A supplier auditor will conduct audits against a supplier agreement or contract. And finally, as a consultant, you can advise and recommend to the business what needs to be done and really have a more hands-on role. So as you can see, there are so many opportunities for auditors at all levels and disciplines across all industry types. What a great way to learn something new every day.